I'm out here living the worst life. I'm talking to you, but baby, you tell me everything's gonna be fine while I'm out here in this misery here, baby. Here.
Don't always say it, baby. We gotta listen to each other. We got each other's backs. We're finally free from this, baby. We just gotta fly away, move along, go somewhere where we can be alone and be free.
You're saying that we're free like birds, well, I'm over here stuck and afraid. You think I'm gonna listen to you, baby? You are crazy.
And you don't think that I'm sorry. You don't think that I'm scared. I'm just saying that we need to be free from this misery. I just want what's best for us. Why are you being like this? Why are you being so doubtful? We can always be free if we have the choice. He let us go now. Now let's go. He's not here. He can't find us anywhere. We're free now. I know that you're scared. I know that you're scared. But so am I. But we gotta take risks. So that way we can be together and be safe.
Baby, I'm not fine. You trying to convince me to lie. I'm thinking about you and how we're all gonna fight. Oh, we're gonna save and split up. I know the future. I know how it always went. Baby, try to stop convincing me.
I don't know what he's saying, baby. Why are you not listening to me? We need this. It'll be good for us. I know that it's risky, baby. Listen to me. We need this. We need this. We need to be free like birds, baby. I'm not going crazy, baby. You need to say it. We gotta take risks together for us.